Hi guys, welcome back. We are on lesson 29 in Horizon 2, Book 1, and this is lesson 63, or this is lesson 29, and this is page 61. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Up here at the top, it says write the names of the books. So what we're doing is we are using ordinal numbers, so kind of like a race. Remember the race numbers? So this book, this blue book that says counting is book 1, so it's the first book in the line. Okay. Little Red Hen is book 2, so it's the second book. The Storm is the third book. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th. Now, if you were having a hard time with that, what you could do is you could take and write numbers above the books or on the books. So like this would be number 1. Right? This would be this, so it's first, this is second, and you could label your books third for when we do the problems. Okay? So if that's easier for you, my numbers are not very good on this because it's such a small space. But you could do that, label your books. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go through here and you're going to figure out, okay, what book is the 12th book? Well, if I have all my books labeled here, maybe I'll type my numbers in, that'll be easier. So this one says 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should be doing this too, labeling your numbers, your book numbers, not just me. Okay, keep going, you finish it, okay? Label your books. Okay, so then when it says what book is the 12th book, I can go, oh, that's this book right here because it's the 12th book. And I would write on my line, Big Bear, because that's the name of the book. See right here? Okay. This one right here says the 8th book. So I'd find the 8th book, which is Pinocchio. And I know some of you are going to say, well, I can't read those names. You don't have to be able to read the names to write them. They're spelled for you right there. Now, if one of the names is super long, like this green book right here says Winnie the Pooh, it's okay if you just write Winnie. Okay? So pause the video and fill this in and come back when you're ready to do number 2. Okay, so if you are still with me, or you were supposed to push pause, finish the top part, and now you're ready to do number 2. And on number 2, we're skip counting by 4s. So what that means is we're taking this first number, which is 4. Here's it is on their chart. And then we are adding 4 each time we go to the next elephant. Okay? So we need to add 4 every time we go to a new elephant. So we can take this and we can go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can write that number on the next elephant. And then we're at here. So now we're gonna add 4 more. So we're gonna go 1, 2, jump down, 3, 4. Okay? Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And write on the next elephant. Okay, you get the idea. Keep going and finish your elephant. Push pause. Keep going. And then we'll jump down to number 3. Okay, you should have pushed pause and finished your elephants. If you did not, push pause and go ahead and finish them. If you did, then we're down here at number 3. So what we're doing down here is we're comparing the least, and we're comparing them within each box. So we're going to just look at these ones first. Just these ones, okay? And so we're going to compare the tens digit first. So the tens digit in this 36 is the 3. Then we compare the tens digit here, which is a 2, and the tens digit here, which is a 1. So that makes it really easy to compare. What's the smallest number? 1, 2, or 3? Well, 1 is the smallest number. So that means that 19 is the smallest or the least in that square. Okay, so now we move to the next square. And we say, okay, this is 27, 40, and 35. So all we're looking at to start is our tens digit right here. Now, if they're the same, then we can compare the ones digits. But right now they're not. So is 2 tens, 4 tens, or 3 tens? Which one's the smallest? Would you rather have, which one's the smallest? 2, 4, or 3? 2. So that means 27 is the smallest. We don't even have to look at our ones digits to figure that out. We can just compare our tens digits. Okay, let's go to this one. So we have 41, 38, and 54. So we're just comparing our tens digit. Here's a 4, a 3, and a 5. What's smaller, a 4, a 3, or a 5? A 3. So that means 38 is the smallest. Even though it has more ones, that doesn't make it bigger. Tens are way bigger, right? So it's the one who has the smallest amount of tens. Okay? All right, finish these. So there's 6 more squares to finish. So you're going to jump down here and you're going to do just this square and then move to the next square. Okay? And then I want you to try this word problem down here by yourself. Okay? And then I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.